Do you want to know how you can log into your Pearl AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your pearl.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Pearl AI login. Click on this link on the top of your screen. It will lead you to the official login portal of Pearl AI. What you need to do now is write down your email address in this box over here and write down the password associated with that mail in this box. Now go ahead and click login and then you can successfully log into your pearl.ai account. You can click on keep me logged in and you will be logged in the next time you want to enter Pearl AI. In case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. If you want to read about the terms and conditions and privacy policy of pearl.ai, you can click on this link and read those. And if you are new to the Pearl AI and want to create an account, go ahead and click sign up. I hope this video about how you can log into your pearl.ai account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.